Meaning of fraternization.
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 Fraternization. Fraternization refers to the act of socializing, forming a friendship or romantic relationship with someone who belongs to a different group, organization, or rank. This term is often used in military contexts, where fraternization between officers and enlisted personnel is prohibited. The consequences of fraternization can range from a mild reprimand to a court-martial, depending on the severity of the offense. Fraternization can undermine discipline, destroy unit cohesion, and compromise mission effectiveness. Therefore, it is important to maintain strict boundaries and adhere to the regulations regarding fraternization.